If you want to cancel a PayPal free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Go to the PayPal website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, find the gear icon or Settings option, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Access your payments. In the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Payments or Manage Payments. Click on this option to view your active subscriptions and pre-approved payments. Step 4. Find the free trial subscription. Scroll through your list of subscriptions to locate the free trial you wish to cancel. Click on it to see more details about the subscription. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure the cancellation was successful. After completing these steps, your PayPal free trial will be cancelled and you will not be charged once the trial period ends. Always keep an eye on your account for any unexpected charges.